Buzz, buzz, the fly goes by, round and round up in the sky. Drip, 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 the water falls. Grab your umbrella, rain it calls. Tweet, 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 the birdies sing, hopping around, their voices ring. Boom, 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 the thunder cracks. Run and hide, it's lightning's tracks. Meow, 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 the kitty cries, chasing milk with sleepy eyes. Beep, 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 the car goes fast, moving ahead, let it pass. Tap, 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 the shoes go loud. Who's coming now? Let's check the crowd. Crunch, 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 the ant takes a bite, carrying sugar with all its might. The world of sounds is funny and sweet, laughter and giggles, a joyful treat. Kids, which sounds do you love to hear? Kanan is a fruit.